in the video. That's us just early. We have shot, and we'll show you the shooting sequences later on in this video. You'll notice on this video we're getting a lot of interference. This is from our very high-powered radar. And we can't turn this radar off, we need it all the time, as you'll understand. The places we fish and the fleets we fish with. But we thought it best to leave it in, and you can understand how it goes in with the story. They're very noisy ships. A lot of electrics, and it's all enclosed in an iron space, so these modern day video recorders pick every little sound, every little noise up. But without these sounds and all these little noises, these videos wouldn't be very lifelike. Now we've just tipped the fish down the factory. That's the second mate, he's just tying a cod line. That's the end of the trawl. Done all the repairs. There's a trawl, she's all laid ready. Ready for when we're shooting. Pull everything forward. I'll say that again, for everything aft. The yellow floats, they keep the mouth of the trawl open. And the large iron bobbins and rubber bobbins, the big round things you will see, they keep the bottom of the mouth of the trawl on the seabed. And the two big iron doors, they keep the mouth of the trawl open. Here we are getting ready to shoot now. That's just a safety line to put across. That's the end of the trawl, the cod ends. That's where the catch finishes up. They're dropped. And using the power of the ship and the sea itself, you can see the trawl is just dragging itself out. There's your rubber and iron bobbins and your floats. The fish you see on deck are stickers. They're caught further up in the trawl. They've just dropped out as we've been hauling. Just making sure the trawl's all square. That's our bosun. That's your trawl away. It's now submerged. It's gone under the water as the trawl. That's the weight of the bobbins. Bit of cables away. Well, they're going to connect up to the two trawl doors. Connected up and shot away. These keep the mouth of the trawl open when she's towing along the seabed. There's your wax pane away. That's heading down to the seabed now. We're now in a factory with old, and we're emptying the trawl down the ramp. Here it is dropping into the pounds aft. From the pounds, drops onto the conveyors. There's a lovely Arctic cod coming down. It runs along. The lads sort it, large and small. Now they're putting it through an heading machine. This is the first stage of processing. Once the heads are off, through a gutting machine, the guts are out, and then it's dropped into these bleeding tanks. These will fill with water, they'll bleed off, and that's where you get your lovely white fillets. That's another heading machine we have too. There are lads in the background, they're just sorting a large and small cod. If there's a few addicts among it, they'll go in a separate tank to be done later. That's all your offal, the heads, guts, big cats that we don't need, big catfish. They'll just go back over the side to feed the seagulls. And there's more of your cod going into your tanks. I'll say this is lovely Arctic cod. Now that hasn't been washed. We don't need to put anything in these tanks to move the water. The movement of the ship does that for us. There's a fish, it's going through the filleting machines, there's the fillets coming off. We do land skinned or skinless, depends on what the market requires. As the fillets go through, I say skinned or unskinned. All conveyors, runs along. We have a bench there with the lads. They've got the little razor sharp knives. They're just trimming the fillets. These machines can't do everything perfect. You always need the man at the end with his little knife to trim and make a nice fillet for the markets. Then it's along to the packers. These lads are packing 15-pound boxes. As you can see, they're doing the fillets. Put it in a box, put into a tray there, and tray onto a shelf. These are all shatter packs. That's your freezers. Within 2 hours of this fish being caught, it's frozen and down the fish room ready for the market. Just one of our boxes we use. There's a freezer man, he's loading the freezers up. Two boxes to a tray. There's a man. He's taking the boxes out of the freezers. They're frozen solid now. And 3 boxes are packed into a master carton. It's banded. Down the conveyor into the freezers. I say they're from being caught. The process has taken 2 hours. from swimming in the sea to frozen down the freezers, 2 hours. We're now down in the freezer compartment. You can see the master cartons coming down. That's the lads taking them off the belt and stowing them. There you can see the masters at the back.